Yeah, we're doing tomatoes.
How many times? Many times.
Yep, we've gotten, I can't count that many, but we've gotten a lot of tomato pickings like this one here, and some of them that are even bigger than that.
Last night.
Yeah, last night we got three or four big ones for supper and had that in the stew, and that was some good stuff. Down in there amongst the vines.
Look how many. 1 and 2. There are more. Baby.
The little baby ones, but they're just as good. And you got to dig. Oh, there's two of them down in there.
Yeah.
They're playing hide and go seek. Oh, those are look like some real nice ones.
Very nice. Even if the color like this, still crunchy. This is the good one.
Yep. Yep.
Eat. I think we're gonna pick the orange one, so
Yeah.
we cannot come back.
Well, we got all them green ones. Look at all the green ones that.
There are lots more coming. I don't know. We have only like 3. Planted tomato, and we have that.
Grab those. What is it? 3 there.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
How's that look? Now, I wouldn't say enough to do canning, but at the same time,
Catch.
that makes some mighty fine.
Salad.
One more item that we get to go harvest today that we haven't harvested all year, and it's a surprise right there on the corner.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Look at that nice little broccoli there. It ain't humongous, but yum yum. It go down a little longer on the stem. There you go.
I think they're still growing. They're still growing. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna let that one grow some more.
Yeah, I think next week.
And there,
They're still growing.
in that row there, we planted radishes there where our carrots used to be, and they're starting to grow.
And then still
The green beans over there, they're
spinach. And there is the pea. Look.
they're growing. Yep.
Yeah.
Lots of them are going to be seeds.
This is one. The long green bean. Gonna eat. There's a lot outside. We will pick that one, okay?
Okay.